Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purur. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The High Court on Monday heard the PIL suo motu taken in the issue of Birch fire incident, and the amicus curiae appointed in this matter highlighted that how the illegal business operation was conducting in the illegal structures. The amicus curiae pointed out that the regional plan shows that area as a salt pan, but GCZMA discharged the show cause notice saying that in the CZMP this area is not marked as salt pan. Amicus curiae also pointed out that there are several illegality going on in the coastal areas by the nightclubs in the illegal structures, and to tackle that, building regulations have to complied with. On behalf of the State of Goa, Advocate General contended that Birch was completely illegal structure. This has to be demolished. He further contended that demolition notice was issued, but the appellate authority stayed the demolition notice and we have suspended the concerned official. AG further submitted that we have no love or affection for illegal business establishments. We want to make suggestions to act against illegal structures. AG further sought time to submit a list of possible respondents who can be added in this suo motu PIL. But High Court meanwhile during the arguments observed that we are not going to take this matter lightly. We will go into root of the matter and will do whatever is best for Goa. We have to dismantle the ecosystem which is protecting illegality. Commercial interest cannot override the law. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.